You know, Barry, I love you. But the most of all is, I know you appreciate good things. And I know you love me too. I know you lost your mommy. I know you lost your daddy. I understand that. I know you don't know where your sister is, your brother is. You don't know where nobody is at this time. I know you love your mommy, right? You love your mommy? You missed her too, right? But it's okay, Barry. You got me, okay? I came back for you. I love you. You sad because you don't have mommy, daddy around? You're a big girl now anyway. You were so small when you come here, cold and small. You know? Yeah, you was, Barry. I know you lost a lot. Okay, I know that. But I love you. Okay? Alright? Nothing gonna change that, okay? Right? You're a good girl, you know. You always been a good girlie. You know that? Who loves you more than me? Nobody. Okay? You know that? Mm. You know that, girlie. Yeah. You know I love you, right? Nobody else can love you like this. Your mommy, I love you. Love you, Bariana. I love you. You always want to rest on my hand and sleep on my hand. All the time. I love you. You good girly cat. I know you lose a lot, okay? But I love you. Still got me, okay? Alright? Okay, Bariana? Oh, you want to pull my hand back? You want my hand to go on it? Look, she'll pull my hand back and paw me if I pull it out. Barry, I know, don't paw me. No, Barry, I love you. Ow! That's my hand, Barry. Gosh. Ow. Barry. Oh, that's my hand. God damn it. God damn it. Ouch. Ouch, Barry, look. It's my hand. No, no good. No good, Barry.